Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making spicy 4-bean salad. If you love spice and some good old fiber, then keep watching. Starting off with a clean bowl and a clean sieve, we're gonna drain our green beans. Now if you have any fresh beans, please use those instead. They taste much better, they're crunchier, and they're just overall much better and a much better color. But this is all they had in the store. Now all I'm gonna do is to transfer it into a nice clean bowl. Now when I'm draining all of my ingredients from the cans, I'm going from the thinnest liquid to the thickest liquid. You can do it however you want, but for a sieve like this, it's better for you to just go from the thinnest to the thickest. But if you want to be washing your sieve in between, or strainer or anything of that kind that you're using, then do that. So this is just another angle for like red kidney beans. Now again, if you have any other more like beans that you might want to add on, or you want to change or swap, you can also just do that. Also, if you want like fresh ones where you're using like these freshest, you can also do that. Not the most necessary, but like, you know, I feel like this is more convenient. This recipe is, I think, is one of the most convenient recipes. Now I'm adding in the onion for some crunch and that freshness of the onion, like the little bit of like it gives it a nice taste. And right there was just salt and pepper, and here is the chili powder, and then I'm gonna add in the chili sauce. Now my chili sauce is not the most spiciest, hence why I added in the chili powder. But if you have like one of those like Nando's really extra hot chili powders, and you want to use those, not powders but rather the sauce, then do that. Then you don't need to add in the chili powder. Or if you have fresh chilies, I'd say by all means chop them up, leave the seeds in there for even more of a kick, and then put them in there and it's gonna be good. Also, if you want to eat this like with the best of flavors, with like the best, like you want it to be the best tasting, leave it overnight, and the flavors are going to marry each other in that and in that liquid, and you're gonna get the best tasting. Like for me, like 1 hour, of course, if you're doing it on the day off. But if you have time, prepare it the day before. It doesn't even take that long. 5 minutes, you're done. Honestly, 5 minutes, you're done. And then right here at the end, I'm just showing you me adding a lot more things. Like for those that might like some spice with some tang, by all means, please add in some vinegar, a little bit more of that chili sauce, a little bit more of those chili powder, and child, I'm telling you, it tastes spectacular. And guys, again, as I'm saying it, leave it overnight, and this will be one of the best salads you've ever had. And guys, we've come to the end of that video. I do hope you guys did enjoy this video and this recipe. And I do hope you guys will not forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and also share the videos with your, friends, family, and everybody else. Just share a little bit with everybody. And I thank you guys for watching, and also thank you guys for the subscribers. We are at 584 the last time I checked. Thank you for the subscription. Until next time, bye guys. Thank you for watching.